Hello, it's Tom again, and I'm doing a slightly longer video than the initial one I gave on checking my burrowing critter traps. And to confirm, because I didn't show them clearly, yes, I did catch a deer mouse in this hole, and I did catch a vole in that hole. So, what happened? They started burrowing tunnels, and you could see the tore up earth. There was as you go around the garden, and so I placed a mouse trap down in that area and one in that area, and sure enough, whatever was moving through there pushed dirt ahead of itself, which springs the trap. And in my experience, that usually means moles, but voles can do it. I suppose deer mice can do it, but I haven't caught any moles. So what was really nice about this area is I actually have 3 separate tunnels. One there, and one there, all converging in the same spot. Now, in my original video on how to set these traps, I was baiting them at entrances with peanut butter and sunflower seeds. I don't do that anymore. I just dig out into the tunnels. If I can find a good spot where there's 3 converging at once, that's great. And I set it so that the trigger is in a position where it doesn't matter which entrance they come at from which tunnel, they have to go to the trigger, period. That's the only way to continue through. So unless they're pushing dirt in front of them, they have to step on the trigger. So then you can use a bucket, a flower pot, a pan, anything really, but mostly just to keep the trap in place and to keep light from getting in. It has to be covered, because if their tunnel is open, they're going to fill it. They'll see that daylight and they'll start pushing earth over to fill in their tunnel. Now over here, we had confirmed that this is an active tunnel that they're traveling in instead of excavating in. So I set that up. And this one's only got 2 entrances. One there and one there. So the trigger is set between the 2. They'll walk across that trigger and it will come down on their head or neck from the side instead of, from the front, which is fine. It will still get the job done. And that, so far, has been the most effective means I've found to trapping these critters. Again, don't worry if you set it and the first few tries, in fact, the first dozen tries, you just keep getting dirt pushed over the track. You just have to keep searching in an ever-expanding arc around where you find the damage until you find a tunnel that they're no longer excavating in. Once you've got that, you've got your rodents. Have a good day.